Are you making the same skincare mistake as 90% of the men? You may not be aware that this one mistake is damaging your skin. Stay tuned to learn what it is and how to quickly solve it. Greetings from Dermos. Today, we're going to expose a typical skincare error that most men commit. This is a minor error that can have a major effect on the appearance and health of your skin. Now, let's get started. The error that has to be addressed is choosing the incorrect cleanser for your skin type. Many men use generic products that aren't tailored to their individual skin types, which can cause issues like breakouts, oiliness, or dryness. The natural equilibrium of your skin can be upset by using the incorrect cleanser, which can lead to inflammation, blocked pores, and even early aging. This may be the cause if your skin appears tight, greasy, or is breaking out. Identifying your skin type oily, dry, combination, or sensitive is the first step towards fixing this. You can view the video on how to classify your skin type that was posted to the channel. Next, pick a cleanser that is tailored to your skin type. Use a cream-based cleanser for dry skin and a gel-based one for oily skin. And always stay away from goods that contain harsh substances. So keep in mind that choosing the correct cleanser might have a big impact. To keep your skin healthy and looking its best, choose one that is appropriate for your skin type. Have you been committing this error? Tell us about the changes you've seen by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare ideas and advice if you found this advice useful. Thank you for viewing. Check back soon for more useful skincare advice. I'll see you in the upcoming video.